This is a guided walkthrough for the Don't Blink challenge from Hack the Web. So in this challenge, it says that was fast, try again. What does it actually say? So if you reload the page, it says don't blink, and then it gives you the answer for the challenge, and then it says that was fast, try again. So what's actually going on here? So let's talk about the challenge briefly before we solve it. So in this challenge, there's some text briefly shown on the screen that it disappears. The first and harder method to solve the challenge is to reload the web page and then read the message before it disappears. So if we go here and then we reload the page, don't blink. So if you're fast enough, you can read the word that is the answer for the challenge, but there's another method we can use as well. So the second and easier method to solve this challenge is to look at the web page source code by right-clicking on the page and selecting View Page Source. So this is known as taking a look at the HTTP source code. And if we go to the web page, right-click on the page, and then select View Page Source, you're going to see all of the code that was used to create the web page. So if we go down to this section over here, we've got some JavaScript. So the JavaScript that's used to make the text on the screen change is this over here. So the first message is the answer, well, the text that appears on the screen is the answer to the challenge is marvelous. So the answer that we need to supply is marvelous, but afterwards, after a number of milliseconds, it's like 300 milliseconds, it's going to change that, and then it's going to output this message here. So that was fast, and then there's a link, and it's like try again or something, or reload. Yeah, so that was fast, try again. And there's a link that lets you reload the page. Okay, so the answer is marvelous. So if we grab this and copy it, then we go back to the page, we can plug this in and click on go. And it says marvelous is correct. All right, everybody, that was a guided walkthrough for the Don't Blink challenge from Hack the Web. If you enjoyed this guided walkthrough, please click on the like and subscribe buttons on the video and leave a comment underneath the video. But until next time, HackerFrogs out.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.